guess VR. What the heck? Very wide. So the ER10.
County, Somerset County, Middlesex County, Central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania.
I don't understand why the ER10 went off the third header. Like literally, I don't understand.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bridgewater to Bedminster, moving east at 35 miles per hour. These storms may impact first responders responding to storms from earlier this evening across the warned area. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs.
Goddamn. Imagine I get hit by another storm. That'd be crazy. What the hell? Oh my god. Yeah.
This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 9 and 12, Northeast Extension between mile markers 32 and 35, Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 18 and 42, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 65 and 76, Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 28, Garden State Parkway between mile markers 126 and 134. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms.
What the hell?
Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect until midnight tonight. For tonight, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots after midnight.
Goddamn.
Detail, south 5 feet at 5 seconds. Showers and thunderstorms likely this evening with visibility.